Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then to the date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, firstly you have to disable the feature automatic date and time. Here you can set up your date, here you can set up your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable the feature automatic time zone here. Here you have all of these time zones, and you can also change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.